Welcome back to another episode of 60 Seconds with the Superintendent. Hi, I'm Dr. Fisher, Superintendent of the Roselle Public Schools. And in this edition of 60 Seconds, we're going to highlight this wonderful academic year of 24-25. First and foremost, congratulations to the class of 2025. We are so excited and so proud of your accomplishments throughout this academic year. First of all, your resilience, your leadership, your determination, and we can't wait to see where your journey takes you.
So here's the key. Be adaptable, be tech savvy, and always lead with people skills. The world needs thinkers, builders, problem solvers, and heart-driven leaders. And remember this, emotional intelligence, teamwork, and resilience are just as important on your resume. Live your life, live it right, be different, do different things.
Now to all my scholars moving up to the next grade in September, well done. You've grown academically, socially, emotionally, and we look forward to seeing what you do next year. Now this year has been filled with moments of pride, progress, and purpose. Across all of our classrooms, stages, and athletic fields, all our scholars have risen to the challenge, exploring new ideas and embracing all the wonderful things our schools have to offer. Our strategic plan, Vision 2027, where we say every student, every day, we are continuing to prepare every scholar for tomorrow. Through guided practices, we do it by being targeted with tenacity. And none of it would be possible without the hard work of our incredible staff. So thank you to our teachers, counselors, support staff, and leaders for your commitment to our students, your creativity, and your care. We also want to thank our wonderful families. You've been true partners in this journey. Your support at home, your presence at events, and your voice in our schools make a lasting difference. But while the school year has concluded, learning doesn't stop here. This summer, as you can see, we're offering a wide range of programs across the entire district. For example, our summer learning opportunities in ELA and math are happening as we speak. Our credit recovery and extended school year services programs are being shared with all our students. Our STEAM, arts, G&T, and enrichment programs have been a phenomenal success thus far this summer. And our Bridge program will serve as a key academic transition opportunity for our rising ninth graders. Can't forget about Open Gym and our athletic tutoring, great opportunities to build up the health and wellness of our student athletes. Our 21st Century program is in full swing. We're offering extended day programming for all our scholars in grades 3 through 6. And how could I forget the Superintendent's Fast Forward program, where we're offering ELA, G&T, math programming, and STEAM arts activities for all scholars participating. These programs are designed to support, inspire, and prepare students for success in September. So as we close out this school year, let's take time to celebrate how far we've come and recharge for the work ahead. So to our students, we are so proud of you. To our families, we thank you. And to the staff, we appreciate all you do. This has been another episode of 60 Seconds with the Superintendent. Everyone have a wonderful, safe, and restful summer. We'll see you in September.